Look. And by the way, look at it. It's two Jeeps, and it's black and white. Yeah, double duality. Look at this fool. Look at him. Look at the other little soulless monkey. Look at him. Look at him. Check him out with the light on him. You think he a light bearer, huh? You little demonic, satanic sellout monkey. Same as these fools. Doing their little ritual, their little light ritual. They think they got the light, but it ain't light. It ain't nothing but darkness. Doing their little punk rituals for cornbreads. This goes with the ritual, by the way. This twinning, this duality, and if you can see it, up there, this full moon, which the witches and warlocks also love, man. But yeah, man, this is what they do. This is the type of soulless monkey activity they be on. And they ain't here to nothing but, like the scriptures say, but to steal, kill, and destroy. And then get fat off of it. And he and Kiki about it with their other worthless, soulless monkey-like friends, man. But anyway, man, turn to the Most High Almighty as they try that noise campaign. You hear that noise campaign? Well, yeah, turn to the Most High Almighty, the Holy, and Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Shalom.